Hey everyone, great to see you. This is the Micro 101. Today I want to make my portable docking for my PlayStation Vita console. So, since 2014, I always bring my mini computer to support my work. Why I choose mini computer? Because it's very mobilized. You can bring it everywhere and require less power, so I can power it using my power bank. I have a various mini computer such as the Raspberry Pi family, Raspberry Pi 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, Banana Pi, and so on. I use my mini computer to support my work, such as to present my idea, to remote the server, to demonstrate the program to my students, or just to watching movie for my entertainment. For a couple months, I have this mini computer. It's called the Intel Box. This mini computer is powered by the Intel CPU and has 2 GB of RAM. It's very convenient. I always bring the mini computer everywhere to support my work. It's very easy to use and it's powerful. And sometimes to kill my time, I play games on my game console, such as the PlayStation Vita console. I love playing games on the PlayStation Vita console. The game library it's so much, so I can play so much game on this PlayStation Vita. But sometimes I want to play my PlayStation Vita game on the bigger screen, such as the television, projector, or something. So, can I make this PlayStation Vita stream to this television or the bigger screen? Yeah, maybe. So we already know there is a plugin called UDVC for the PlayStation Vita to capture the screen on this PlayStation Vita to through the USB port to the other device such as on your computer. So I want to make a program on my mini computer to detect if my PlayStation Vita is connected to this computer and automatically stream the PlayStation Vita screen to the HDMI port. Can I make it? Let's make it. To able to make the PlayStation Vita docking, we need 3 components. The first component is the Vita UDCD UVC. This Vita UDCD UVC is actually the PlayStation Vita plugin to enabling screen capturing through the USB port. So it's make our PlayStation Vita like a webcam. To download and install this plugin is right down on this repository. I will write down this website to the video description. Make sure you visit it because you need to install it first. To install, it is the instruction to install. It's very easy, just the 3 steps. You can do it by yourself. And when you read the troubleshooting, they recommend us to use the employer, but I want to use the other than the employer. The second component is the VLC media player. I use the VLC media player for 5 years, so I want to use the VLC for capturing and displaying the screen capture from the PlayStation Vita. And the third is the package called screen. I use the Debian website because I use the Debian. If you use the other operating system, you can refer to your repository, but it will the same name package. It's called screen. So we need 3 components: Vita UDCD UVC, the VLC media player, and the package called screen. After we initiate these three components, of course you need to install UDVC first on your PlayStation Vita. We can install the VLC and screen in our computer. So I want to remote my mini computer. So I remote my computer. So I need to install sudo apt install the VLC and screen. So you already see that the screen and VLC is already installed on my machine, so I don't need to install it again. So if you have not installed these two package, you need to wait a while to finish the installation. After you finish this installation of VLC and screen, we can write down a simple code to capture if the USB, the PlayStation Vita USB is plugging to our computer. So I have made the program using Bash script. I will show you the program. I call it the PS Vita doc because I want it. So the first thing, we need to capture the description of the PlayStation Vita USB. So I just use a simple command such as the ls USB for the specific device on this product, ID product and ID vendor. This number is the ID product and ID number for the PlayStation Vita USB. And then I check it. If this variable is null, I want to execute this one, but I will explain it later. So if the USB is not null, so it means the USB is plugged into our mini computer, I will execute this one. So for short, I will execute this command. It said that I execute the screen -d -m VLC. I will open the VLC for /dev/video0. Maybe you need to adjust this number, video 1, 2 or something, to your PlayStation Vita port, and I'll show it in the full screen, and I'll live caching with 0 delay, so it's very almost real time. So if the USB variable it's not null, so it means it's the USB is plugged, USB PlayStation Vita is plugged. And then for some while I will unplug the USB, so it means the USB variable is null. So if the USB variable is null or the PlayStation Vita USB is unplugged, I will looking for the VLC PID. So why I need to looking for the PID of VLC? Because I need to kill it. I need to kill the VLC. So if the PID VLC is not null, so it means this one, I will kill the PID of this VLC PID. So and it will repeat until the computer is shut down. Until the computer is shut down. So how it's the code is performed? Let's try it. So we on the mini computer desktop. So I start my I power on my mini computer. So this is the screen. It's the desktop from this mini computer. I use the Debian cluster. It's a 32-bit version. It's old, but it's just run. So when we on this desktop, let we try to execute the bash script that we made before. So I will open the terminal first, and let's see that this PS Vita dock, it's our script that we have made before. I will execute it. So it's execute without error. So then we need to connect our PlayStation Vita to this mini computer using the USB cable, normal USB cable, USB cable that you use to charge your phone or something. So we need to plug in on the USB port and bring this cable into our PlayStation Vita. So this is the PlayStation Vita, and let's try we plug in. Yeah. So on the UDVC VLC UVC plugin, I choose the plugin for the PlayStation Vita Slim model that if you plug this USB, this PS Vita screen will off. So it's likely more like Nintendo Switch. So it's cool, man. So what happens if I unplug? So the VLC it's shut down. If I plug it again, it's up on again. Yeah, it's work. So if we able to stream our PS Vita screen, we can play the game with this big screen. So, but maybe some of you will say that you still need a controller, you still hold your PlayStation Vita if you play the game, right? Nah, for me, I just use my PS4 controller to control my PlayStation Vita. So I have my PlayStation 4 controller. I turn on the Bluetooth and voila. So I can play the PlayStation Vita game with my PlayStation 4 controller. It's cool, right? Yeah, it's cool. So I can play in the bigger screen. So this is it. We done to make a simple script to execute to capture the PlayStation Vita screen to this mini computer to display on the big screen. In the next project, I will add this script that we made before to the system control or system CTL, so the script can run in the background from the starting of the mini computer, so we don't need to execute the program at first. So when we plug the USB, it's directly automatically stream our PlayStation Vita screen. So if this video it's very useful for you, please hit the like button, and if you want to see my second video from this PlayStation Vita docking portable, please subscribe to this channel. This is Micro 101. I will see you in the next time. Sampai jumpa.